Hey, I'm Mark, and today we're fixing a flat tire, and this is a snow tire. If you can look and see all these little nails with little tungsten tips on them, 100 of them or more over there, but he's got a real nail in there, and you can see it bubbling. So we're gonna pull it out. We used to have to ream the hole out really big, and you end up damaging the tire, rimming it out, filing it out, and then you'd stick a plug in, lots of glue. But there's these new gadgets, and I think I'm gonna go with the bigger one. And it's coated with something. It's not sticky or nothing, but you just stick it in the hole. Make sure I'm in the hole. Let's see if it'll go. If not, I'll go to the smaller one. Yeah, it's not going, so let's step down in size to a smaller one. I don't seem to have a medium. It seems to be a smaller or large, or maybe it's a small and a medium. I've got them all in my tractor tires, and they work really good. You just screw it in. I mean, and I like to go a little bit deep. And let me air it up. Let me see what kind of pressure it's supposed to have. Maximum load, 50 PSI. Snow tires in Alabama. Go around there and show them your license plate. How many hours did it take y'all to drive? Or how many days?
Almost 2 weeks. Yeah, about 8 hours a day.
Well, that seems to be working.
Yeah, nothing coming out. No bubbles.
We appreciate y'all watching. Thanks.